Today for Quick How-Tos at 12 South Marketing, I'm going to walk you through a few quick tips on purging or cleaning up your business's HubSpot account, your account's contacts, content, and a little on lead scoring. So let's jump right in. So first, your contacts. If you're looking to delete some of your old contacts in order to keep your list as updated as possible, go under your Marketing Email tab within HubSpot. From there, on the left side, you'll see Email Bounce Tools and Email List Tools. Select Export Unsubscribes and Bounces for an Excel list, or if you want to just see your unsubscribes and bounces within a specific period of time, select Create a List of Hard Bounce Contacts and you'll be able to do so from there. Any unsubscribes or bounces can be deleted from your contacts. Next, let's look at your content. It's likely you'll have landing pages, CTAs, forms, etc. So let's create an Excel doc of all your findings as sort of an audit and see which content is effective and which isn't. For example, if you're looking at CTAs, measure the effectiveness by your click rate. Which CTAs could be edited and improved, which are showing success and you can keep, and which can you delete entirely. And finally, let's look at lead scoring. Within your HubSpot account, select the settings icon, then properties. Then type in HubSpot score in the search bar. If you have lead scores already, this is where they'll show up. If not, a lead score allows you to assign scores, both negative and positive, to different actions to determine your most promising leads. So for example, if you know the persona of a lead, you can issue them a positive score of your choice. Or if someone bounced from the email you sent, you can attribute a negative score. And there you go, how to clean up your HubSpot account. Be sure to check back in with us for more quick how-tos and marketing terms explained.